Congratulations on starting your study abroad journey with USAC. The first step to creating your authentic study abroad experience is to fill out the USAC application. To start your application, head over to the USAC website and hit Apply Now. Read through the on-screen pop-up message that describes the eligibility requirements and what to expect during the admission process. Then click where it says, "I have read these instructions, continue with the application." An important tip is that you need to have a specific program in mind in order to apply. The USAC application is not a general application. Choose the country, city, and term you want to apply for. You can change your study abroad location later if you need to. Go through the application filling out all of the required boxes. You do not need a passport in order to apply for a USAC program, but you should begin that process once you apply. Once you hit submit, the application process is not over. The USAC enrollment team will review your initial online application and will send you an email with login information for your personal USAC Student Gateway account, where you will complete the rest of your application. Expect this email within 1 to 3 business days of submitting your application. In your Student Gateway account, you'll find the USAC Admissions tab, where the remaining requirements are listed in order to complete your application. A final admission decision is made once all of the items are completed. These items may include official transcripts, program fee deposits, a personal statement, and home university approval. Once you have completed all of the requirements listed in the Admissions tab, your application will be reviewed for an admission decision. If everything looks good, USAC will send you a pre-approval email offering you a place in our program. You have 2 weeks to confirm that you are accepting your spot with USAC. If you don't accept your spot, it may be given away to another applicant. Once you've accepted your spot, you're officially approved. Congratulations!